Eat mo! He said na mabubuntis ako kay Coco Martin at magkakaanak kaming babae, hindi nangyari. So, wala, hindi ka masaya, ano? Nagalit ka eh.
That's true. No, I respect that. I really respect that. Pero nothing next one,
Darla, bibilang kita ng black follow because I love you. Yes. Ano ka sa men's? Large? Or extra large? Extra large. Okay.
Ayaw mo na na basketball player talaga. Kahit NBA.
I don't like boys na.
Oh! Ayaw mo na na boys. Eh, para kanino pa yung pagpapakita mo ng goiter?
Oo nga. Alam ko, ano, sabi niya, Mom, I hope you don't mind. Sabi ko, okay. Yes. Hilo-hilo pa ako. I just have to know, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant, Dok. Nakakaloka. Darla, the Buddha.
Kung princess yun sa kabila, ako Buddha.
Yeah, naman. Oh. Ikaw yung alay. Sobra na. I promised my sisters I wouldn't be strong. But it's so unfair. Bahay ko to dahil ako ang gumagastos dito. Ako nagbabayad ng ilaw, ako nagbabayad ng tubig. Get out of my house! I don't need a fire gun!
I don't need a part-time wife. Kapag gusto sabihin sa'yo, ayaw lang kitang saktan.
Putang ina mo! Sinasaktan mo na ako na kung mag-ginagawa mo sa atin!
Melissa, it's useless trying to talk to you.
Lahat ginawa ko! I love you!
Hintayin mo lang yung peace. Ganyan ka lang, oh. Calm down. Kaya pag punubo ka ulit ka ng 3 times, puki na ina nila, just try it again and again. Ipinahan ko na yung lolo na yan. Puki na ina mo, lo! Utang ina mo! Kita mo yung gagawin ko. Beast mode ako, ha?
Gawin mo! Gawin ko! Hindi kita uuluan! A woman only becomes a mistress when there's emotional involvement. At wala akong balak na ilang sa'yo. Sabihin mo muna na kailangan mo ko.
No.
Okay, madali naman akong kausap. Isang gabi makakanood ka sa bandila. And you hear him answer about you. Alam mo kasi live yun, hindi yun edited. Tingin. Huwag mo akong kausapin na ganyan. Katulong ka lang.
Google! Parinig kita sa mukha, eh!
Do you think I want your makeup? Yes or no? Yes? No. Simple. Covered and she repeats them. Flat eyebrows. Covered and she repeats them. Ugly.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you
like boy.
Boy! Boy!
On the boat, I felt she was on.
Bitch called me ugly. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, where?
Chocolate! 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 Ha! Let's go! Get away, better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. You know I gotta win every day. 911 now!
What's the number?
Really, nigga? What's the number?
Kaya ako hindi natutulog, pinabantayan ko lang ang sarili ko!
When I throw it up, start working like Miley. Working like Miley.
Bahay ko to dahil